Hello guys, you're welcome to today's tutorials. Okay, let's solve this particular question. The question says we are to copy and complete this table by using this equation and also this interval. Calculator can solve this for us without recalculating for. So let's see whether we can or not. Take your calculator, place this mode, select 7 here is tables, so you place 7 here. You can see f of s. This f of s here means y values. It means this y values. So we are going to use these equations to find the values for y. So let's put our equation here into here. How are you going to do it? The equation is 3 minus 2s minus x squared. This is how we are going to do it. We press our 3 minus 2x. How are you going to get the x? For you to get the x, you press this alpha and then this sign. We can see that there is x here, so with this sign we get 2x minus x squared. The same thing, alpha x, and then you press this sign to give you the square. After that, you press equal sign, this equal sign. You can see the calculator is asking you start. This means where are you going to start? So let's see the interval they give. The interval starts from -5, so you press -5 here and then you press the equal sign. The calculator is also asking you for n, so where are you going to end? When you have a look at the interval, you are going to end at 3, so you press your 3 and then equal sign again. The calculator is also asking you for steps. The steps means the difference between the values. So when you have the look at this, you can see that it starts from -1, -4, -3. That means the difference between them is 1. So you press our 1 and then equal sign. Our answer will come. Alright, so here is our answer. This line here is the x values, this x values, and then here is this y value. So let's check x and then their corresponding values to y and see. Here is -5. Yep, -5 is here for the x values. So you check for the y value and see. So you press this sign. When you press it, you see that the y value for -5 is 12. Let's check from here. When they solve it, you can see that they also had -12. That means our answer is correct. Alright, let's check that of -4. This -4 here, you can see that the x value for -4, the y value for -4 is here, so you press this downwards. So our answer for -4 is -5, as you can see from here. Let's also check from here. So when they solve it, you can see that they also had -5. That means our answer here is correct. Let's check that of -3. So here is our -3 for the x values. Its corresponding value for y is 0. So let's go and check whether they also had 0. Okay, when we have a look at the solution in the book, they also had 0. That means when you have this question, you can just use the calculator to punch everything for you to get your answers without wasting much time. I made this so that you can learn how to use the calculator when you get these questions in the objective test. So when this question falls under the paper 2, this is how you are going to do it. When you use the calculator to get them, after that then you solve 1 or 2 for the examiner to see that you know what you are doing. After that, you redraw the table and then insert what you had here. The answers you get, you insert into the table and then use it to draw your graph. Thank you for your time.